Aeronautics Octoper is a strong and intelligent multi-rotor drone designed for demanding missions where reliability really matters. Built by the Israeli company Aeronautics, this drone uses an octorotor design, which means it has multiple propellers that provide excellent stability, even in rough weather or difficult environments. It can take off quickly, fly smoothly, and operate with a high level of automation, reducing the need for constant human control. The Octoper is mainly used for professional and security-related tasks such as surveillance, reconnaissance, search and rescue, border monitoring, and delivery of essential supplies like medical equipment. It can carry different types of payloads, including high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, allowing it to collect clear and accurate data from the air. Despite its heavy-duty design, it remains easy to transport and deploy in the field. One of its most impressive features is flexibility. Asteroid mining. Asteroid mining is an exciting space technology where valuable resources are collected from asteroids, the rocky objects floating in space. These asteroids are packed with rare metals like gold, platinum, iron, and nickel, as well as water, which can be turned into fuel for spacecraft. Mining them could help support space exploration and even provide materials back on Earth in the future. The process usually involves sending robotic spacecraft or drones to reach an asteroid. These robots study the asteroid, identify valuable resources, and extract them carefully. In advanced plans, materials from asteroids could even be used for building tools, spacecraft parts, or habitats directly in space, reducing the need to carry everything from Earth. Water found on asteroids can also be converted into rocket fuel, making long space missions easier and more affordable. Asteroid mining could change the future of space travel and the way we use resources. Bioprinting. Bioprinting is a modern technology that uses special 3D printers to create living tissues using real human cells. Instead of printing with plastic or metal, these printers use a material called bioink, which is made from living cells. The printer carefully places these cells layer by layer to form tissues such as skin, muscle, cartilage, and blood vessels. This process allows scientists to design biological structures that look and behave like natural human tissue. Bioprinting is already helping the medical world in powerful ways. Doctors can use bioprinted skin to treat burn patients and serious wounds. Researchers also use printed tissues to test new medicines, making drug testing safer and faster. One of the biggest hopes of bioprinting is organ creation. In the future, organs like kidneys, livers, and hearts could be printed using a patient's own cells, reducing long waiting lists and lowering the risk of rejection. Although the technology is still growing, bioprinting has the potential to completely change healthcare. It promises more personalized treatments, quicker recovery, and a future where organ shortages may no longer exist. Expanded Corning Vision is Corning's exciting idea of how glass technology could transform the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Instead of being just a material for windows or screens, Corning imagines glass as a smart, interactive, and integral part of our daily lives. Think of walls that double as displays, windows that can show information or change transparency, and screens that blend seamlessly into furniture and environments. This vision builds on Corning's long history of innovation, from the tough glass in smartphones to fiber optics that power the internet. With advanced materials and smart design, glass could help make communication easier, cities smarter, and technology more natural to use. Corning also highlights how interactive glass could improve healthcare, entertainment, education, and other areas, connecting people and information in ways that feel intuitive and seamless. At the heart of the expanded Corning vision is the idea that glass isn't just passive. It can be dynamic, useful, and even transformative. By combining optics, material science, and digital technology, Corning wants glass to enhance experiences while blending invisibly into the environment. In simple terms, the expanded Corning vision shows a future where glass makes our surroundings smarter and more interactive, helping us live better, work easier, and connect more naturally with the technology all around us. Griffith VTO was a daring and futuristic aircraft concept from the 1950s that aimed to take off and land vertically without needing a runway. It was part of a wave of bold ideas in British aviation, designed by engineers connected with Rolls-Royce and the Royal Aircraft Establishment, who were dreaming of combining high-speed flight with VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, capabilities, something way ahead of its time. What made Griffith VTO so unique was its extreme design. It was imagined with dozens of jet engines, some dedicated to lifting the aircraft straight up and others to power it forward at high speed once airborne. Engineers envisioned it carrying passengers over long distances quickly, all while being able to hover and land vertically, which was revolutionary for the 1950s. Despite the exciting vision, the technology of the time couldn't support such a complex machine. Heart X1 is an innovative electric airplane being developed by the Swedish company Heart Aerospace to make flying cleaner and more sustainable. It is a full-scale prototype designed to test the technology for future regional hybrid electric planes. With a wingspan of around 32 meters, Heart X1 can carry about 30 passengers, making it ideal for short-haul flights while reducing carbon emissions. Unlike traditional planes that rely on jet fuel, Heart X1 uses electric motors powered by batteries, which could significantly cut pollution on regional flights. The plane is currently going through ground tests, including charging, taxiing on runways, and checking systems to make sure everything works perfectly before its first flight. Heart Aerospace aims to complete its first fully electric flight in 2025, which would make Heart X1 one of the largest electric planes ever flown. Mansory Empower is a futuristic concept that shows how luxury cars could look in the future. Created by the famous custom car brand Mansory, this vehicle is not a normal road car. Instead, it is imagined as a flying supercar that doesn't use traditional wheels and appears to hover above the ground. The idea pushes the limits of design and technology and feels like something straight out of a science fiction movie. The design of Mansory Empower is bold, sharp, and extremely modern. It features smooth aerodynamic lines, aggressive styling, and a wide glass front that offers a panoramic view. Matternet Station is a smart, fully automated hub that works with delivery drones to move packages quickly and safely. You can think of it as a small drone airport or post office that runs 24/7 without needing people on site. Drones land on the station, drop off or pick up packages, recharge or swap batteries, and then continue their next delivery automatically. The station is compact and can be installed on rooftops or open ground, making it easy to place in cities, hospitals, or business areas. When a drone lands, the system securely locks it in position and handles everything on its own. Packages are stored safely inside the station and can only be accessed by authorized users, which keeps deliveries protected and organized. Metaverse. The metaverse is a virtual world where people can connect, explore, and interact in a more realistic and exciting way than traditional internet platforms. Instead of just using apps or websites, the metaverse lets you step inside digital spaces using virtual reality headsets, augmented reality, or even your phone and computer. In this world, you are represented by an avatar, allowing you to meet friends, attend events, play games, or work together just like in real life. Microelectronics. Microelectronics is the field of technology that focuses on creating very small electronic components and circuits. These tiny parts, such as microchips, transistors, and sensors, are so small they can fit on a device no bigger than a fingernail. Even though they are tiny, they are powerful and control everything from smartphones and computers to cars, medical devices, and household gadgets. The main purpose of microelectronics is to make devices smaller, faster, and more energy efficient. By shrinking electronic components, engineers can pack more functions into compact devices, allowing technology to become smarter and more portable. This is why our modern gadgets, wearables, and communication systems are so advanced and convenient. Microelectronics also drives innovation in many areas. In healthcare, it powers tiny medical devices and implants that monitor health and save lives. In transportation, it enables smart cars, GPS, and safety systems. In computing, it helps create fast processors and memory chips that make laptops, smartphones, and gaming devices more powerful than ever. Overall, microelectronics is at the heart of today's digital world. It transforms complex technology into small, efficient, and intelligent devices, making life easier, faster, and more connected. Without microelectronics, modern technology as we know it wouldn't exist. Multi-level breeding yacht is an exciting and innovative yacht concept that combines luxury with environmental care. Unlike a regular yacht, it is designed with multiple levels for both leisure and marine conservation. On the upper decks, you can relax, enjoy the sun, swim, or take in stunning ocean views, while the lower decks feature a special area for fish breeding and protection. Nanography's graphene. Nanography's graphene is an advanced material made from graphene, which is a super thin layer of carbon atoms arranged in a honeycomb pattern. Despite being extremely light, graphene is one of the strongest materials known and also conducts electricity and heat exceptionally well. Nanography produces high-quality graphene that can be used in many industries, helping create smarter, stronger, and more efficient products. This material can improve batteries, supercapacitors, and solar panels, making them last longer and work better. It can also make materials stronger without adding weight, which is useful for cars, planes, sports gear, and even construction materials. Its excellent conductivity is helping electronics become faster, smaller, and more powerful, pushing the limits of what devices can do. Nanography is focused on making graphene practical and easy for industries to use. By providing top-quality graphene, the company is helping scientists, engineers, and manufacturers develop innovative technologies. From energy and electronics to medical devices and protective coatings, graphene is opening the door to countless possibilities. With its amazing strength, flexibility, and conductivity, Nanography's graphene is shaping a future where materials are smarter, lighter, and more sustainable, bringing science fiction closer to reality. NAM Wings is a smart and eco-friendly technology that helps large ships use the power of wind to move more efficiently. Instead of depending only on fuel-hungry engines, NAM Wings installs tall, rigid wing-shaped sails on ships. These wings work like airplane wings, catching the wind in the best possible way to push the ship forward. The system is fully automated, meaning the wings adjust themselves based on wind direction and speed without needing constant human control. The biggest benefit of NAM wings is fuel savings. By using natural wind energy, ships can reduce fuel consumption by up to 15 to 25%, which also means fewer harmful emissions released into the air. This is extremely important as the shipping industry looks for cleaner and more sustainable solutions to protect the environment. The technology can be installed on both new ships and existing vessels, making it practical and flexible for shipping companies. NTT Data Technology is all about helping businesses use technology to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Part of the global company NTT Data from Japan, it provides IT services, digital solutions, and consulting to organizations in many industries, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, government, and telecom. Their goal is to solve complex problems and make business operations easier through modern technology. The company helps organizations modernize their IT systems, move to cloud computing, improve cybersecurity, and create smart digital products. They also use advanced tools like artificial intelligence, data analytics, and connected systems to help companies make better decisions and serve their customers more effectively. NTT Data works closely with clients to design custom solutions that fit their unique needs, making everyday business faster, safer, and more innovative. Globally, NTT Data operates in over 50 countries and serves some of the world's largest companies. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is the process of combining two light atoms, like hydrogen, to form a heavier atom while releasing an enormous amount of energy. This is the same reaction that powers the sun, creating the heat and light that make life possible on Earth. Scientists are working to recreate this process on our planet because it could provide almost unlimited, clean, and safe energy. Unlike nuclear fission, which splits heavy atoms and produces dangerous radioactive waste, fusion creates very little long term waste and uses fuel that is widely available, like hydrogen from water. If harnessed successfully, it could generate massive amounts of energy without polluting the environment, offering a solution to the world's growing energy needs. Achieving fusion on Earth is very challenging because it requires extremely high temperatures and pressures to force atoms to merge.